is at 4 o'clock.
Hello again.
Well, starts at 4 o'clock. Save everything's all in the same venue. So when we go up to the rooms now, whoever wants to nap or whatever.
How are the room designated?
We've got our own apartment, which has got, I think, 4 rooms.
That's
for us.
crazy.
So,
Yo!
no, like we've got 4 rooms. So however we split it between us,
Oh, is it spider?
it's like for us lot we've got 1 apartment.
Oh.
So, and then we've got like
No,
a
it's right
kitchen area.
there.
So the chances are I'm probably gonna have to, even though I didn't see a shot,
What kind of spider's
probably gonna have
that?
to get something for him.
Where that came from? Yeah, the burger.
I actually feel like spiders coming from in my head now. Like they just live in there. Mum, just know there might be a spider on your dress. Mum, yeah?
£50.
Go over here. And then we got this area and that stuff here. Then we got over here. Then I got the view behind it, you know. Yeah, bro.
तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी तू ही मेरा तू ही तो तू ही अखियों की ठंडक तू ही दिल की है दस्तक और कुछ ना जानूं मैं बस इतना ही जानूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं
Absolutely fantastic. One more time, a big round of applause.